I know as Africans, especially those of us in the diaspora, we face a lot of challenges. For those at home, the challenges are even more enormous. We battle with so many things. One of them is the problem with our identity and our value. We have lost many things: our culture, our heritage, our language, our history, and lots of things. Many things have been wrongly defined for us. We learn that being rich is having money and all the material things, and when you don't have them, you are poor. They tell us prosperity is having fine houses and cars, luxury brands, and all the expensive things in the world. But how have those things contributed to us? How have they added any value to our continent and our generation? We must detach ourselves from those toys and mundane things. We must take our minds off those things. They are a death trap, and I'll tell you why. Because they make us addicted and become consumers while we lose our value in life in the process. Whatever is not produced by us should not be valued by us and shouldn't be a yardstick for our prosperity. Our satisfaction must come from things that we have, not things that we don't have. We don't have a yacht. We don't have companies that produce airplanes. We shouldn't attach to those things. We shouldn't make them our gods. Now, I'm not saying we shouldn't use what we don't produce, but we shouldn't attach to them. We shouldn't make them our God. We shouldn't value them more than anything that belongs to another person, even if we bought them with our money. We should value more things that we produce by ourselves. Anything foreign should be counted as such. No attachment, no yardstick for measurement of success or prosperity. This is where we can create a balance and make things work for us. Prosperity must be defined in our own terms. It must be defined based on what we have and what we can produce. Prosperity is, first of all, being able to tap into our inner treasures, being able to tap into the abundance within us, the abundance of joy, peace, satisfaction, happiness, health, success, you get the point, that are within us. Also, prosperity is our ability to fulfill purpose. It is our ability to tap into the supernatural, to tap into the power that creates the universe. As Africans, we are so connected to the supernatural. We are spiritual and deeply spiritual. Our understanding and opinion about God are deep and intuitive. So, when we are talking about prosperity and riches, the major aspect we are looking at is the spiritual, which is more important than anything physical or material. We must first of all tap into the abundance that is within us. We've got to understand that we don't use the yardstick and criteria that the world uses to rate and judge prosperity. We use our own yardstick. We follow our own understanding of God and spiritual things. We are not ignorant of the deceit and lies of the West. Africans are poor, but they keep looting our resources. They keep coming to our lands. They are using the idea of poverty to discourage us and make us feel like we have nothing and lack everything, but will not succumb to that antic. We have a better understanding now. Let's think about it as individuals. How much material things do we need? How much things do we need to survive? Is it not just to eat, have something to wear, and a place to sleep? What is more important than these basic necessities of life? All the problems we have in the world today have been because of greediness and selfishness. As Africans, we must have our own definition of things. We can't take what others have given to us. We must redefine what prosperity means. We're leading the world, and we are no longer subjected to anybody's antics or devices. We are now wise and knowledgeable. We are now doing things for ourselves and making our world a better place. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Why most Black people are poor. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.